Airbnb Travel App Review Usage Experience. Links to Airbnb and related services are in the description. Airbnb has become a household name for those looking for unique accommodations and experiences. Whether you're seeking a luxury villa, a budget-friendly apartment, or an unusual stay like a treehouse or a castle, Airbnb delivers a vast array of options tailored to every type of traveler. The app is designed for individuals, families, and even business travelers who want personalized and often more affordable lodging compared to traditional hotels. One of Airbnb's key features is its variety of listings. The app hosts millions of properties around the world, and each listing provides detailed information on the accommodation, including photos, amenities, and host reviews. The reviews are highly valuable, as they give a transparent view of the experience, making it easier to choose a place that suits your needs. Filters let you search for specific property types, from private rooms to entire homes, and you can sort results by price, location, and ratings, which enhances your overall booking experience. The Airbnb Experiences feature is another highlight. This allows you to book local activities, from city tours to cooking classes, all managed by local hosts. It's perfect for travelers who want to immerse themselves in the destination, rather than just visit the main tourist spots. The app is also known for its flexibility. You can book properties for a few nights or several weeks, and cancellation policies vary depending on the host, which gives you some peace of mind when plans change. Moreover, Airbnb has an excellent messaging system, so you can easily communicate with your host before and during your stay. Airbnb is a great travel app for those looking for more authentic travel experiences, with its vast selection of properties and unique features. Whether you're booking for a short getaway or a longer stay, the app is simple, reliable, and ensures that you find the right place to call home while traveling.